know y'all looking at me like, Colorful Camille, what is you doing, girl? What is you doing on this camera with a bonnet on looking crazy early on this Sunday morning? Well, I'm just blessed, y'all. I'm happy, I'm blessed. I'm trying to get my workout on. I'm on this elliptical, you guys. Trying to get my exercise on. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm gonna go ahead and try and get this body right, you know, while I get my mind right, my spirit right. But I'm just sitting here thinking, you know, it's Sunday morning. Woke up, sat down, got my coffee together. Started off with a nice text from my BFF, homegirl, sister-in-law, saying good morning, talking about getting the day started. Then, you know, while I'm drinking my coffee, y'all know I gotta start watching a few videos before I get my day going. So, first video I see, Lily living life, okay? So she on there telling me what she just got from BH Cosmetics. Like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna need to run over there. It's a couple things that I still need to get, okay? Like, she ain't got everything from BH Cosmetics already. Y'all, I'm tired. I only been on this elliptical for 24 minutes and I'm tired already. Anyway, then I see my homegirl, Keeping It Simple with Bridget. She done put up a bomb new video talking about this new Kat Von D palette, okay? That you know your girl gots to get. Looking just as cute as she wants to. And then I click on and see a video from my girl Sweet Sadie J. Okay, you know Sweet Sadie, she out here getting it cracking. She like, I'm about to beat this face, okay? So I see her getting her practice on, making her little bomb little video. And I said, you know what? It's gonna be a good day. it's gonna be a good day, y'all. It's gonna be a real good day. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish my little workout, and then I'm gonna make a little video for y'all. I think I'm feeling red today. What y'all think? I think I'm feeling red. We're gonna beat this face with some red today. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Let me go ahead and finish getting this body right. See y'all.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided I wanted to get a little saucy and do a nice pretty red look for you guys. So if you'd like to see how I created this red eyeshadow look using this wonderful blood sugar palette, stay tuned because it's coming up next.